Find texture.
Go to Pinterest and search for the texture pattern you want. Choose the texture you like, then right-click on the image and save it.
Convert to SVG.
Now go to an online converter website. Scroll down and select Convert to SVG. Click Choose File, select the texture, then press Start. Then click Download.
Adding texture to the model.
Now import a curved model into Bambu Studio. Place the model in the correct position. Here I duplicated the model a few times for demonstration. Right-click on the model, then select Add Part and choose SVG. Now select your desired texture. First, rotate the texture 90 degrees so it properly fits on the surface of the model. Here I set the texture depth to 0.2 millimeters. Then I adjust the texture size to match the surface of the model. Select the cut option so the texture is engraved into the surface of the model. Enable Use Surface so the texture fits the curved surface. Repeat the same steps for the other textures.
Slice and print.
Then click Slice to generate the print preview. Finally, click Print Plate to start printing.